Here is an excerpt of Casablanca performed by the Rock-Afire Explosion.
What's the matter?
It's Lena.
Look, Lena, don't you remember? I told you. There's a microphone right there in the bush.
Yeah,
You have to talk into it.
I was talking, wasn't I, Fats?
You mean? Yes, Mitzi, but please remember, round tones. Pierre, you shouldn't have come.
Pierre, you shouldn't have come.
Yes, that's very much better. Now, hold on a second there. No. Lena, look. Here's the mic, right there, in the bush. Now, you talk towards it. The sound goes through the cable to the box. A man records it on a big record and wax. But you have to talk into the mic first, in the bush. Now, try that again.
Gee, this is dumb.
Oh, she'll get it. Don't worry. Now, we're all nervous on the first day. It'll be okay, Mitzi. By the way, Rolf, you know the scene where I say imperious princess of the night? I don't really like those lines there. Can I just say what I always do? Like, I love you, I love you, I love you.
Sure. Anyway, it's comfortable. But into the bush. Quiet. Again. Quiet. Roll him.
Quiet, everybody! Roll 'em!
Well, that's just... Wait a minute. Cut!
God, we're missing every other word!
Thanks, Earl. What is the matter now?
It's just nothing, Ralph. Nothing at all. Except that I hate that song!
Oh, don't worry, Looney Bird. I guess Mitzi picked a couple of long losers, huh?
Well, I guess so.
Oh, come on, Lena. You have to talk into the mic. Well, I can't make love to a bush. Oh, all right. We'll have to think of something first. What are you doing? You're being wired for sound. What? You're being wired for sound. What? Yeah, watch out for those dentalized D's and T's, those flat A's. Everybody's picking on me. Okay. Now look at this flower. See, the mic is in there. That's it. The sound will have to. The sound will run from it through this wire and onto the record. It'll catch whatever you say. Now, let's hear what it sounds, Lena. Okay! Quiet! Roll 'em!
Oh, dear, you shouldn't have come. You're full of danger.
What's that?
It's picking up her heartbeat.
Swell. Cut! Cut, everybody! Okay.
Oh, wait. That's wrong.
Alright, that should do it. Now, don't forget it. The mic is on your shoulder. Whatever you say goes through the wire onto the record. Now, please, Lena, talk to the mic. Don't make any quick movements. You might disconnect from the Mac pals. Okay, let's go. Quiet. Roll 'em.
Roll 'em! Oh, Pierre, you shouldn't have come. You're flirting with danger.
What's this doing here? It's dangerous.
Thank you.